Now it's raining out here. Yeah, Ricky and Jeff already got shown. Here I am. Say my name. Oh, that was cool. For this, I actually got. I gotta keep this on my face for while it thunders. You never know, it might be a cool picture.
Thunder roars,
Oh, I never heard that line before. No remorse, you lose the score. Ha! What? What are you laughing for? I compared with you.
You know where the scissors are at, Beth?
I don't know where the scissors are.
They were in that one right there. Yeah, that one they're not in there. Which one that? You looking at the door?
Oh no, I'm getting wet over here. Ew, there's something in my hair. Okay, I'm done. Oh, there's lightning again. Wow, that was really loud and bright. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is dead. He went downstairs and bumped his head, but won't get up in the morning. If it thunders and if there's lightning, I live for 1,000 years. If it happens within the next 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I saw lightning. Okay, if there's lightning or thunder, In the next 10 seconds, I live for 1,000 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. 5 minutes, 25 seconds. Woo! I'm blinded. I'm very blinded right now. Does this look cool other than the fact that my eyes are closed? I hope so. This probably looks stupid. I'm just showing off where I am. And the rain. Thunder shouldn't be too far behind. Oh, you can actually see the sky in this video. It is currently literally 10 p.m. exactly right now. Not a minute later and not a minute before. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Are you able to see me? I wonder if you I'm not sure, but yeah. I guess I'm done now recording.